No? Too fucking much, but listen. So now let's get into this bolt here, same 17 and one on the other side. Alright, so I have a F30 335 active oil filter housing leak, vinyl solenoid surface. Let's begin. Remove the cowling, remove the strut brace, remove the padding, airbox. You see me do this a bit. Get space, remove the charge pipe. Yeah. Make sure to disconnect the battery. Alright, so once you remove all the cowling, padding, we're gonna start moving these harnesses. I disconnected the battery, so I'm gonna start clearing up some way so I can get this intake out when I'm ready. And I'll also be removing all of this. Yeah. So yeah, that's everything here. All these pipings, get them out the way. Make space. Alright, cleared up what I have to clear up. Now it's time to get these pipes here loose. Alright, so once you got this bolt here removed, make sure you take out this 10 bolt and this whole thing here just comes down. I'm gonna get these you get these hoses off and get 1, 2, 3, remove the oil cooler. Alright, once you got those removed, you got this bolt here, this bolt here, and the third one you get to right there after you remove the intake. Alright? So before I actually get to these bolts, what I'm going to do is get these intake bolts and get the intake a little bit out the way. Alright? So before I do that, I'm going to just get the charge pipe off a bit. So I'm going to take off this connector. Alright? Shimmy the charge pipe off. Remove the O2 sensor wires just to give yourself a little bit of room when you're sliding it off. Alright? Yeah. So just clean up your maiden surfaces. Beginning preparing the new gaskets and seals. Alright? So you can see where definitely we had a leak there. Alright? So just use you can use an old Scotch Brite, just clean off the surface. Alright, so just using my pick, getting these old seals out. After I get these old seals out, I'm going to just clean it up and get the new seals on. So you can see the gasket is very brittle, very, very hard. So you can see, new gasket is much thicker. Alright, oil cooler fitted, intake back on, time to fit back up, tighten up. Yeah. Get my harnesses back in place. Alright, so we all fit it up here. So I'm gonna drop the oil and let it. I always like to mark the close position of the oil filter housing. I mean, oil filter cap, should I say, before I pull it. So there you go.